Hi, welcome to Laura's Fundora. So today I'm going to show you how I made this rose trellis. I purchased a rose named after two of my boys. It has two names, two of my boys, and thought it would be really cool to plant it right in between their bedroom windows. So it would be growing and they could see out the window this pretty rose flower. So I went to Home Depot and I purchased 2x2 pine wood boards, posts. I believe it was 8 feet tall, and I purchased 5 or 6 of those. I had some left over from another project, so I'm not sure exactly the right amount that I purchased. And then I purchased some thinner boards for the letter that I was going to add at the top for our last name sort of thing. So I could just picture in my head this really pretty trellis rose climbing up around this letter M. Okay, so I measured it all out first. I kind of mapped out how much I have, how big I could make it, where I wanted the horizontal boards to start, and then three spaces sort of thing. So I marked it and started cutting all the boards. I laid it all out, and to help with the support and the structure, our area is very, very windy. So I made it more of an L shape, so I had a whole nother section to attach to the front side of the trellis. And this would also help the rose climb around kind of the house in the corner sort of thing. Okay, so after I cut it all out, I drilled holes first so the wood wouldn't split, and then I screwed these wood boards together, making sure that I had a right angle tool to measure so that the horizontal lines and the vertical lines were at a right angle. Okay, so once I put it all together, I made a mistake. So I thought I would attach the chicken wire mesh that would help hold the rose together, you know, the trellis part. I attached it to the front part, and I realized after this that I should have probably stained it first. It would have been easier to stain everything first and then attach the chicken wire. For the lettering, I just kind of measured out and estimated the angles and screwed those in, and it turned out great. So do not attach the chicken wire first, stain it first, and then add the chicken wire. You can see how I kind of corrected myself, because on the L shape, the support shape, I stained the wood first and then I attached the chicken wire. Okay, so there was another tricky part to this, is because it was so tall. It was 8 feet. I only trimmed a little bit off each ends of the wood. So to attach the L shape to the front, I had to like prop up tables and then make sure it was super, super tight and screwed it together. I used, I believe, some deck nails, like really thick deck nails for this L shape part. Of course, drilled holes first and then screwed it in. All right, so then after that, and all the chicken wire is attached and everything, I dug up some holes in the area, kind of measured out the distance between each posts, and then of course dug up the holes, readjusted it, got a leveler, and made sure that the horizontal lines were, not tilted or anything like that. Then I got some treated wood, leftover treated wood from another project, and I dug the hole a little bit deeper, stuck the trellis in and the treated post in and made sure everything was lined up, and then I screwed the treated wood to the pine post. Of course, drilling a hole first and then screwing it in. And I also used the really long deck nails for this part as well. I wanted it very secure. I didn't want it to topple over or anything like that. Then after that, I just buried the posts, and you could add a little bit of gravel at the base, and then I just filled it full of dirt. And that is how I made this rose trellis. Okay, so while I was editing this video, I saw I had a smudge on my camera, and I was like, darn it. So please forgive the smudge. I know it's very noticeable. I have kids and they just love to, with kids and cameras. So please forgive me on that, and hopefully it doesn't irritate you as much as it does me. So thanks for watching. Bye.